Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm making this fun little Star Trek Communicator badge out of wood. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. In order to accommodate the shape of the Starfleet symbol, I attached it to some scrap wood using double-sided tape. As this oak was very thin, I added a scrap bit of wood to keep the stock perpendicular to the base of the miter jig. I'm adding some scrap metal to the cushion. This way the Combadge can be easily displayed no matter which way you put the box. I hope you enjoyed that video where I made the Star Trek Communicator badge. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. This project was made as part of the Fools with Tools treasure trade, which is a secret Santa type of thing where a maker makes something for another maker. It's really fun, and in this case, my project has been transported all the way over to Tinkering Rocks down in California, and he was kind enough to give us this clip of him opening it up.
Is my present from Treasure Trade from Grant Alexander, and I'm going to go ahead and open it now, and I'm really excited. So at this point, I had forgotten to check my microphone settings on my OBS studio, so I didn't have any audio. But essentially, all you would be hearing me say is, "Oh my gosh, the smell of linseed oil is amazing," and "Oh, this is some cool acrylic work, and a beautiful shadow box. Oops, a little bit of a break from shipping, but I'll fix that. Oh my gosh, this is a pin. This is a magnetic pin, and it has its own shadow box." Grant, this thing's amazing. Thank you, sir. This is very cool. Merry Christmas. Happy Treasure Trade. All the other Fools with Tools group members, thank you for a lovely year this year. This has been quite fun. Thank you, Grant.
Thanks for sharing that, Sean. It really makes me smile to know that you enjoyed the gift. And I want to give a huge shout out to Ellen from Crafts with Ellen for organizing this massive undertaking of a giant Secret Santa worldwide. So big thumbs up to you. Thank you very much. And until next time, cheers and have a great day. Bloop. Beat me up. It didn't work. It didn't work. I'm still here. Gosh darn it. Come on! Until next time, cheers and have a nice day. I don't have a beer. What am I doing?